Today is a good day, and I'm going to cook surf and turf once more, as requested by my wife. We have ribeye, bone-in, lobster, snow crab, shrimp, mushroom freestyle. Okay, let's start by cooking our steak. Same thing, I just seasoned this with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. This is the searing portion. Full blast. Yeah, smells good. After 2 minutes, I think it's time to flip our steak. Good sear. And over here, looks like our water's boiling. This is where I'm gonna dump my lobster. It's just salt, paprika, liquid crab oil, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Lobster. Cleaned it already. Just gonna dump it there. Look, it's moving. Woo! Fresh lobster, baby. Let's just wait till it changes its color into kind of like red or orange. By the time it's cooked. That's the first steak. Now this is the second one. Same deal. And I think it's time for us to remove our lobster from our seasoned water. It's awesome. Now it's time for the snow crab. It's the snow crab's turn. Same deal. Just gonna dump it. Woo! Let it absorb all that flavor. I'm gonna add some shrimp. Just go with the flow. Almost done. Shrimp and the crabs are ready. So we need to pull them out of the water as fast as possible so that they won't be overcooked. Look at that. Hot. Woo! Looks good. Smells good. Smoking! On the same cast iron pan where we cook our steaks, I'm gonna saute some mushroom. Garlic. the white part of our onion, spring onion. Add our mushroom. That pan is rich with flavor. Smells good, baby. Whoa. Ah. Maggi seasoning. Smells sweet, delicious. Oh yeah, that's what we want, baby. Almost time to eat. Just add black pepper and garnish it. Green onions. That's it. Our steak is ready. And we have some sauteed mushroom and the seafoods. White rice, garlic butter for the seafood. Let's see if it's really cooked to perfection. Yes. Pink in the middle. Perfect. Ciao! Perfect siya. Oh, delicioso.